Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we are going to discuss how to upload projects from Canva into Sawgrass Print Utility. In order to transfer projects from Canva, the first step to take is to download the project. To do this, select File from the top left corner of the page and then choose Download. After selecting Download, Canva will provide you with several options on how you want to download the project. We recommend downloading your project as a PNG for best results. Please be aware that I am working with Canva Pro, so your options may be slightly different than what is currently on the screen. Once the project has completed downloading, you can then upload the project into Print Utility using the Upload File function. Select the file from your list of downloads and then the project will load into Print Utility. After the project loads, you can use Sawgrass Print Utility to set your project up with the appropriate print settings. Once the proper settings are applied to the project, you can select Print and send the project to your printer. Thank you everyone, that is all for today. See you next time.